half of his life is in extreme danger. 8. Just doing things for an ordinary reason. 4. This is just for the people to neither watch nor be amazed, but also for the people who listen. God created man to protect and be the caretakers of his entire creation. But right now, one of his creatures is in a great danger of extinction. They may be very predators from the wild. They may have sharp teeth and powerful tails. But if only it could only speak right now, we'll surely hear it call for now. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a walk with God. I want for you to pay attention to these crocodiles that cannot help themselves from becoming the most critically endangered species in the world. At this point of time, they need us to fight for their right to live and continually exist for future generations. If we won't respond to their call, our children and our children's children will be missing a lot from seeing one of the living legacies of the dinosaurs era. We will try and begin to respond to their call, we may also feel God's trust for making us the people, the protectors of His beloved creation.
Alright, again, Manila, Davao City, my hapon, Mindanao. Welcome to one of Davao's finest and welcome to the only crocodile park here in the Philippines, the Davao Crocodile Park. Alright guys, tightrope walking na po tayo. Tightrope walking is an art of walking along a thin rope without you ready. Parang wala atang tao. Guys, are you ready? Yeah! First set, let's get it on! Ayan, Kuya Ramini, this first set. Ano kayang gagawin ni Kuya Ramini? Ayan, napakadelikado po na ginagawa ni Kuya Ramini, mga kaibigan. Underneath, mga kaibigan, ang soul for a crocodile. Kuya Ramini, mag-ingat-ingat ka lang. Alright, there you go. Alright mga kaibigan, sinisimulan po ito ni Kuya Ramini ng isang pagdarasal na kaluhod habang nasa lubid. Palakpakan naman dyan! Alright Kuya Ramini, mag-ingat-ingat ka lang. Nasa ilalim ng dado niya ang mga crocodile. Ayan, naghihintay sa pagbagsak. Kakainin na ng mga crocodile, Kuya Ramini. Nanginig daw. There you go! Mag-ingat-ingat ka. Ayan, sa wakas. Makakabog din si Kuya Ramini. Alright, magpapahinga muna si Kuya Ramini for his second